traders and investors alike were green today. Another awesome day in the market. So much happened today, I don't even know where to start. I do want to point out that in our pre-market video, we talked about which actually went public. I didn't mean to make it public, meant to keep it for Discord only, but rushing, I did make it public. If anybody watched it, you have a very good idea of where we were heading today. You can see the 431.73. We have the 431.87 resistance level, but the targets were, if you go out to your daily, the target was the 200, and if you go out to the weekly, we had the 50 there. So those were the areas that we were watching. Run right into it, hit it like a brick wall, and reversed. So, that worked out good. Go to Tesla real quick. I was watching some numbers on here, but the fact is we had to take out 940 before we did anything, and we couldn't. We $4 and pulled back down. Come right back to our 910 level, which is an area that, we watch a lot and we play off from. Microsoft. Another name, the area to watch today was the 200 on the daily. So we had quite a few of these. Amazon was able to break out and unfortunately did pull back some at the end of the day. I'm not exactly sure where it closed. You can see it took the 200 out and was pulled back. I wish it would have closed over it. I would feel better if it closed over it. And we had so many names that we picked up flow on. The memes were just running crazy wild. You had Fubo. We picked up flow on this, and then it had news come out on it. So we were already had it on the radar. Then the news come out, and it just took off running. But you could see it was pushing on the flow before it was ever started with the news. Stocks like Walmart were on the radar due to earnings. You see a nice push there. HD was on the radar due to earnings. You see a nice push there. You can see names like the meme names just went crazy. So BBBY had massive flow. I mean, unrealistic flow for this thing. And when they halted that, they went right into GME. I hit this with a 1,000 share scalp. Did really well on that. Really well. That was an awesome trade. They come after all of them. They went after Kohl's. You see they pushed on that. I mean, they even went for names AMC, DraftKings, Carvana. And we happened to have all these on the radar. As they were popping off, we were on them. Just an awesome day all around. Names like SPCE, they went after. Blue Apron, I mean, I can't even show all the charts. Let's show some Rocket, they went after that. Let's look at some pre-market action that a couple of us, one member did really good, and me and another member were able to get a small trade on it. But you can see this MEGL. So we had a member who tracked it the day before. I don't want to say his name. I don't have permission, but we have a member, the Discord knows who it is. We have a member who tracked it from a volume pop from the night before and was able to get a 30% trade off that in pre-market. I was able to get a small trade. Another member, he posted this morning saying he got a scalp on it. So this is another one that I was able to trade. If we go to the 1 minute chart here, I actually got 3 different trades off of this stock this morning. All right, let's start over here. So I was able to get a trade on the spike up. When this pulled back, the MACD still looked decent, and I seen this candle open up, and this candle was dancing. So I went in for a trade with the target just to the 9. I was going in just for a quick scalp, and then when it set back up, it took the level out, come back, retested. I went in there and got a third trade, a much bigger trade there. So I traded that one stock 3 different times in pre-market. Was able to trade the MEGL. I traded, I think it was GBOX. I traded that as well. And pre-market, so I was able to get some of this pop. It spiked up. I knew it had volume. It spiked up, pulled back. When this candle cleared that level right there, this next candle opened up, I was able to scalp that candle, and I didn't even hang around for that. I was just looking for a candle scalp. But a very nice trade. You know, these small cap stocks doesn't take a big account to trade them with, and this is the stuff that we do. We teach you how to trade these. We give you the resources in the Discord, and we will teach you how to trade them. That's what we do here. We provide a lot of resources, and we show you how to trade them, teach you how to trade them, and of course the emotional part, we will help you out with that as well. But so much happened today. I can't go after all these, or bring all these up. We were on natural gas in pre-market, so UNG was on the radar. Let's go out to the 5. So, we had the natural gas, UNG, TEL, LNG, all those names were on the radar. I didn't mean to get this far back. So you can see it had a decent day. It opened up and pulled back. Then right there, you got your push up, started resetting. That would have made a nice trade. Upstart was on the radar. Affirm was on the radar. So all these were called out in pre-market. Look at that. Put in this dip and just ripped. Affirm. Look at that, right into our levels there. That we were constantly calling these levels out. It was just such a wild day. Then we had stuff come in for the cruise lines. So Carnival, that was a nice opportunity there. So many different opportunities today. BBIG popped off as well. Nice scalp there. And if you're looking to short, you could have went short at that point. Just so many different opportunities presented themselves. I just don't have time to cover them all. Just a wild day. I hope everybody was green today. I hope everybody stays green tomorrow. Remember, guys, discipline is the key. That is the absolute key to your success as in trading. Trading will bring you financial freedom. Will allow you to do things that you've never even imagined. Depending on your style of trading, you have more of a passive income, and then you have big money trading. Looks like BBIG is wanting to pop off now, and this is definitely going to be one to watch at the end of for the rest of this afternoon, heading into tomorrow morning in pre-market. Hope everybody has a great night, and I'll see you in the trading room.